Okay, love bugs, would you believe me if I said this wig has no lace and no leave out? So today I teamed up with iSee Hair and they sent me over this beautiful Burmese curly V-part wig. In this video, we'll be doing a step-by-step install where we'll be using the crochet method, zero leave out, to install this beautiful girl. Literally latching her on to our natural tresses where we have nothing to blend in the front or back. We literally can put her on, crochet her up really quickly, and now you have the perfect vacation wig, swim wig, workout wig, and even if you just need a nice little something to be able to achieve the perfect switch up with no lace, no leave out to worry about, this is the one for you. I went ahead and added a little bit of layer in the front just to frame the face. We're gonna do a beautiful curly method on the ends and maybe diffuse it up a little bit, and this was the result. So if you want to see how we got this look and catch your vibe with me, let's get started. If you have a thicker head of hair, the better, but for my thin fine hair, I think I did amazing on this one. And this is what she looks like from the back. Super gorgeous. I feel like I'm going into my hippie era where I'm just like live life, love everybody, hug a tree, and vibe. And this kind of goes with the vibe that I have in my brain of like who I am evolving into. She's so gorgeous and I feel so confident and I don't have to feel self-conscious at all. So now that I've ranted and raved, let's get right into the video. Today I've teamed up with iSee Hair, as you guys already seen, and I love it because straight out of the package your wig is already like a little gift. And then inside you do get your box. This one has the iSee Hair with a gold and bows logo, super beautiful. So for starters, the first thing I see is this adjustable and removable elastic band, and then from there you open it up and you have your package. You do have your iSee Hair melt belt, super cute. And then of course we got a pack of the wig caps. Here is just some language. And okay, so now here is the star of the show. This one here is a Burmese curly wig in the length 24 inches, and it's 24 inches stretch because this is a curlier texture. Ooh, it actually smells, it has an actual pretty smell to it. Now this here is the wig straight out of the box. Get a load of that beautiful Burmese. Those finger coils at the end, super gorgeous. The wave pattern is nice and defined and just lustrous. When you flip it over, you can kind of see what we're working with. I think I didn't show you this, but this here is the V part here. You can see it's kind of enclosed or stuck together, and it just have it with like a single stitch there simply because so you can even just tear it apart. Be careful, cut yours, don't tear it like I did in case you don't really want to, you know, ruin your wig. But they just have it there for formation, so it is a full circle cap when you receive it. Should you want to put it on a mannequin head to do anything to it, you can. And then of course, like once you go ahead and break that, it's yours. So now that you guys can see the V part cap, you'll also notice that inside it is lined with wig clips. You just push them back and forth like this to open and close. Super nice and sturdy, and it appears we get two on each side of that V. Beneath that, but like right off to the side, there are two smaller combs. We also here have the adjustable and removable elastic band, and then at the nape we do have a larger comb as well as a drawstring. You guys know a drawstring is always gonna be my favorite feature just to make sure my wigs fit snug.
Running around while I'm laying his hair. Edges on point with a little mama flair. Life's a whole movie, every scene on.
Okay, so the hook on this one is super tiny. I found another one in my house because of course, what black parent, hair girly, does not have 1,000,001 of these stashed around the house? So now that we have a bigger opening, let's try it again. Okay, that was super simple and easy. Let's keep going with it, and you literally just take your hook. Mine is currently open. I drive it through, and while it's open, I latch the hair around, close it, and pull it through. And in the front, I kind of want these hairs to go ahead and cover and camouflage my own natural hair. So essentially, we're making it lay down like this so that when we are done, it'll completely cover and we will have no leave out. I don't know why I haven't done this sooner, but let's just continue all the way around and see what it looks like in the end. It's broad mass time and the kids won't sit still.
Somebody lost a sock, someone spilled the milk for real. Real blurry, rolling with the chaos, making memories on the way. Welcome to the Lion's House, flower starts today.
Okay, quick update. This is what it looks like when you do the crochet method. And you guys can see, like, if you cover this up, once you go ahead and do your little thug thizzle on it, this is gonna look so good. I should have done this many moons ago. So let's do this side, and we will have literally no leave out to blend or worry about. And I think we're on the right track now.
Yeah, Dakota and Dominic, let's go. Dakota spinning round the room, twirling in the light. Dominic's got glitter slime, stretching inches right. Two little stars who always shine so bright, laughing every morning and dancing every night. Jump left, jump right, they got their own groove. Turn the music up high, watch the whole house move. Sisters on a mission, yeah, they do it every day. Dancing in the kitchen, slime party on the way. Dakota and Dominic, the world is a stage. Best friends, sisters, love that never fades. Spin like the sun, glow like the moon with sisters.
Okay, before we do play with the hair, let's go ahead and do the edges.
Every day's a cartoon. Sisters on a mission, yeah, they always have fun. Two hearts, one beat, forever as one. Dakota and Dominic, forever they'll be sisters, best friends, a perfect harmony.
Okay, now let's style the ends.
Boot it up. Yeah, we back online. Kid Diamond in the lobby and he's ready to shine. If you came for the gatehouse, you right on time. Yeah, he's a Lion's kid, so the grind's built in by design. Drop in, watch how the whole squad roll. He misses one shot and still somehow stole. The whole squad wipe with a half broke scroll. Kid Diamond different, he built like a cheat code. Running through maps like he owns the land. You think he's serious and he drops his hands. Piece of rose done, yeah.
Okay, so we went ahead and added our curly products. I want to add some face framing bangs just to make sure this right here doesn't drown out my face. And we'll diffuse it next.
Lines get priorities, always food first, fam. Chad going wild cause the game plays lit. He trips off the roof and still doesn't quit. Falls on an enemy, instant KO hit. Kid Diamond's luck, honestly ridiculous, legit. Level up, we don't stop for nothing. One more round cause the squad's still jumping.
I have this twisting cream. I'm thinking of adding a little bit to the ends. Quick disclaimer, off camera, I did notice that the left side that you're seeing did need a little bit more hair to be like crochet through. So I did do that off camera, but at this point I did not realize that. So that's the great thing, is to always make sure you take a photo of what it looks like from the top so you can see, because what you see from the front is not what you see from the top. Let's go ahead and diffuse the hair and get it nice and full up top.
The Lions crew in the house. Let's go. Let's go. Diamonds on the game with the heads set tight. Dropping buckets on the court. Yeah, shots too nice. Dakota twerking living.
Okay, love bugs, I think I found the hack. For those of you who are like me with thin or fine, or both thin and fine hair, that it's almost impossible to get a good leave out, this is the hack for you. Also, if you're a girly who wants your, if you're a girly who knows that your hair, your leave out is not going to blend, this is the hack for you. As we come into the new year, I know this will be a great look, especially for those of us who want to get into our workouts and worry about our hair sweating out. You don't have to worry about blending your leave out. You don't need to worry about your leave out sweating out. None of that really matters. You can literally put her on, do a little around the hairline, leave her installed for a few days at a time, and then you are still able to remove her, unlatch her, take care of your natural hair, and you can apply as needed. Perfect vacation hair, perfect date night hair. Imagine going Monday through Friday just looking like who did it and what for, and Friday hits and before you know it, you're having weekend plans and you don't have a look in mind. This is the perfect one to give you a quick little va-va-voom for the weekend, and then you can go back to your regular look during the week. Just the possibility possibilities are endless. So I'll have a direct link and all the details to this beautiful girl down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.
Jumping with a happy little feet. Three cool kids with their own big vibe.